Investing in one of the best ring lights is crucial if you want to improve the quality and feel of your online content creation, video calls, photography, and selfies. In today's video, we're going to check out the best ring lights in 2022. Number 4. Logitech Litra Glow. The Logitech Litra Glow performs the same function as the best ring lights, but it's not actually a ring. Rather, it's a cue. On the plus side, it's small and requires less desk space than some of the larger options in our list, but on the flip side, it's not something you can mount a camera or phone into the middle of for easy streaming on the go. With that in mind, the Logitech Litra Glow is more a tool for letting your work video calls or Twitch streaming sessions than it is a full-fledged do-everything option. But within its ideal use cases, it excels. Setup is super simple, and integration with Logitech's G Hub gives you full control over its functions. Number 3. Neewer 18-inch 55W5500K dimmable LED ring light kit. This 18-inch Neewer ring light has a fixed color temperature of 5500 K, which matches a daylight balanced light source. However, it also includes 2 color filters, white and orange, made from high light transmission plastic, which allow you to easily switch temperature from 5500 K to 3200 K. There's also a stepless dimming knob, which lets you adjust the brightness. This portable LED kit also comes with a 61-inch light stand constructed from aluminum alloy, giving it exceptional strength. It also has a 360-degree rotatable smartphone holder, plus a Bluetooth receiver for controlling your ring light remotely. Oh, and it even comes with a handy carrying bag. Number 2. Nanlite Halo 16C Bicolor and Tunable RGB 16-inch LED ring light. This Nanlite Halo 16C is one of several ring lights the company has in its product line, ranging from 14 to 19 inches in diameter. This 16-inch model is well suited to many uses, including beauty lighting, vlogging, live streaming, makeup application and tutorials, portrait photography, and small product photography. What makes this one of the best ring lights is that it offers variable color settings, including an RGB feature and the ability to change the brightness of the light. The USB pass-through feature is another useful addition, as this lets you charge a phone while it's positioned in the fixture, ensuring you won't lose power during your shoot. Number 1. Westcott 18-inch Bicolor LED ring light kit with batteries and stand. If you're looking for a versatile ring light kit that has a professional build quality and provides you with lots of features and options, the Westcott 18-inch Bicolor LED ring light kit with batteries and stand will fit the bill. Westcott has a long history producing top-notch lighting equipment for pros and is an excellent choice. Whether you're using it for vlogging, live streaming, capturing video, or shooting still photos for portraits, food, still life, and many other types of genres. This ring light has user-friendly controls and a hassle-free setup, and it claims to have high color accuracy. It also has a built-in diffuser which produces soft, beautiful lighting that fills in shadows on your subject's face with iconic catch lights in the eyes.